Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping exporters, freelancers and agencies navigate their way through international payments without the usual banking headaches and with a little help from Infinity. Today's topic is one a lot of you ask about, a document called FIRA. In this video, I'll be covering what is FIRA, why it matters and what is the difference between FIRA, FIRC and BRC. Think of it like a receipt but an official one by the RBI. Once your international payment lands in your bank account, your bank checks a few things like who sent it, why and how much. Once that's verified, you get a FIRA with your client's name and country, your name, purpose of the payment, for example, export of services, date, amount and currency, remitting bank details, and a reference ID. Only a RBI authorized bank can issue this, so it's not something random platforms can just generate. Why does a FIRA matter? It's proof of your foreign income. Without it, you basically cannot prove that your money came in legally under FEMA rules. Tax filing. If you earn in foreign currency, you have to declare it as a business income in your ITR. FIRA is a backup document for that. GST. If you're GST registered and you're exporting services, you can claim a zero-rated GST, but only if you can prove that the income you received is from a foreign client in foreign currency. And FIRA is that proof. FIRA versus FIRC versus BRC. You'll often see these three terms floating around and people use them interchangeably. Let's learn what each of them exactly means. FIRC, Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate. It was the original traditional document banks used to issue for any payment coming into India. It was usually a physical document. FIRA, Foreign Inward Remittance Advice. It is basically the modern digital version of FIRC. After RBI digitized export tracking through a system called EDPMS, banks started issuing FIRA instead of FIRC for most freelancers and exporters. So today, if you're a freelancer getting paid by an international client, FIRA is what you'll receive. FIRC is now reserved for things like foreign investments and not freelance income. BRC, Bank Realization Certificate. BRC is a different document altogether. While FIRA confirms that the money has landed in your account, BRC confirms that this payment is linked to the export of goods or services. It's mainly needed if you're claiming specific government export incentives or schemes. So if you're working with international clients, FIRA isn't optional. The only question is if you want to chase it manually or have it land in your inbox automatically. And that's exactly what Infinity does. So sign up on our platform, get paid in 50 plus currencies and have your FIRA generate itself. That's it for this video. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.